G'day guys, coming to you today from Coochin Creek camping area. This is a great little campground. We've come across this is up near the Glasshouse Mountains in Queensland. It's roughly about halfway between Brisbane and the Sunshine Coast. You can see there's a dirt road there, gravel road, but it really is only for around about 200 metres. The rest of the way here is all bitumen road. Straight off the Bruce Highway, just need to take the Roy Road exit and follow the signs, which are all pretty well marked, and you'll find your way here to Coochin Creek Campground. It's entry in here to the campground, and there's a new modern block of toilets here on the right hand side, and they look in excellent condition. We don't need them. Obviously we've got all our own facilities in the motorhome. There's a map there, gives you a layout of the campground and where all the sites are. Over here in front of us there's a car park and some seating and good barbecues just in there, and the campground is just through here on the left. Good sized sites. So there's sites here for smaller ones for tents only, and then bigger ones, as you can see there, the guys with their brand new caravan and brand new four-wheel drive. We met them yesterday. They're really nice people. And all this is right here located on Coochin Creek, which is a good spot for fishing. Saw some guys in a boat yesterday, they'd caught a few. Some cod and trevally, and there'll be plenty of mud crabs down in there too. So you can see different size sites here, and each site does have a fire pit as well. Now, it is part of the Brisbane State Forest, so it's not National Park. However, dogs aren't permitted here in this campground. Cost to stay is $6.60 per adult per night. You can sort your booking out online. We'll put the information here in the feature story. You can see the track goes around the campground and takes you past each of the sites. Just a matter of working out which site, which is all numbered, which one works for you. And you can see the creek right down here beside us. It is so quiet here, really quiet. It was perfect last night. Lots of birds, you've got to watch out for them, and they want to steal your lunch. They're not shy here. You can see we've been able to book into one of the biggest sites, perfect for caravans, and we've got both motorhome and the Triton here with us. So as I mentioned, this is halfway between Brisbane and the Sunshine Coast. It is on the east side of the Bruce Highway, as opposed to what's normally known as the Glasshouse Mountains over on the western side. But we just did the Wild Horse Mountain lookout last night. That is actually here on the east side of the Bruce Highway and is part of the Glasshouse Mountains. So certainly recommend booking one of these few sites along this side, 15, 16, 17 and 21. They're all nice big sites if you do have a rig similar to ourselves. Anyway, that's a quick look around here at the Coochin Creek Campground. There are no other facilities apart from those toilets. There's no water, there's no power, just the barbecues and those toilets. So you will need to make sure you brought your own provisions with you and access to those things that you might need. Thanks guys. Remember, you can see all of our videos on our website, indefiniteleave.com.au. Cheers, bye.